Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today is all about the Ulanzi W10 mic. So let's get started. Okay, there we go. So this is our microphone, as you can spot it. Really nice and amazing kind of mic from Ulanzi, and it's packed with really amazing kind of feature, and I kind of like it because it's quite portable throughout using it, and it's just really good throughout the box. The box is smaller, looks like a chocolate box or a biscuit box. So let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed throughout this kind of mic. Here's our bad boy, as you can spot it, and we're gonna be unboxing it right now, so as you can check it out what's happening inside. Gonna unbox it that way. Really nice, and as you can spot it, you're having your manual in here, which is really nice because you just want to read it and understand how you can use your microphone. So on this side is English and the other side is Chinese, which is really great through using this mic. Getting this kind of quality certificate from Ulanzi. So yeah, left with our mic, as you can spot it. So this is the mic, guys. As you can spot it, really nice and amazing, and the way they kept it really good. This is your windshield in here, which is great. You can release it or you can just snap it back to keep it there and throw it here. And this is your kind of connector, which you connect it on your smartphone throughout your recordings. And this is your mic, which you're left with it, which is a little bit bigger in size. And this is how you turn it on, and it will just be on. Connecting it, so as you can get the connection, just connect your dongle like that, and it will turn green, and here it will turn green, so as it can indicate that right now you're having connection. So guys, this is the Ulanzi WM10 microphone. How much is picking up on your outdoor? It's really great. It's really amazing when it comes to picking up on the audio file, and it's really dope. Now when it comes to clipping on your t-shirt, how does it feel? Well, it feels really great, as you can spot it here. It's really good when it comes to clipping on your t-shirt. So this is the Ulanzi microphone WM10. How much is picking up, and I hope you guys enjoyed throughout this kind of audio, and I'm outdoor. So yeah. So guys, this is my microphone So guys, this is my microphone testing throughout inside my indoor. So as you can spot it throughout the studio here, how much the audio is picking up, really decent from Ulanzi WM10. Really great. And I'm gonna be removing the windshield so as you can hear me clearly throughout the microphone speaking. And throughout here, something which is so great, this kind of microphone has a noise cancellation. Now when you tap it once, it will be flashing throughout blue light, so it has like 3 phases of noise reduction. When I tap again, this is a second level throughout noise reduction, and when I tap throughout here, this is the third level of noise reduction. And usually I prefer the normal one. When it turns on green, just know that you're back to normal mode. So it's such an amazing microphone from Ulanzi WM10, and you can hear me clearly, but when you're clipping it, so let's say you've clipped throughout your microphone, how much does it pick throughout there? You can hear me, my sound, how much is going on. It's really amazing. And yeah. So guys, right now let's talk about the specification of Ulanzi WM10. Well, it has a wireless range up to 10 meters, which is really great. It has a battery life about 4.5 hours per charge via USB-C. And on top of that, it has an audio specs of frequency response up to 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz, which is really great. Design wise and weight and transmitter, it's really nice. This is the WM10 from Ulanzi. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of microphone. To be honest, this kind of microphone surprised me throughout its own kind of portability throughout it, the way it looks really nice. And you just release it throughout the transmitter, which it has this one minimal throughout the USB-C. And when you're done, you can even have your kind of windshield whenever you are recording outdoor, and it's really amazing. It has a USB Type-C port over here throughout charging it. It offers you 4.5 hours of usage, which is actually not bad, and I kind of like it. Not bad, can't complain, because if you're just somebody who like to use it on the go, it's really amazing. And it's even having a noise cancellation. So it's packed it's packed. I can't complain that much. It's really packed. And if you want something legitimate from Ulanzi, I think by far we have reviewed bunch and bunch of tech from Ulanzi, and you guys, you have seen how Ulanzi products they are. Something which is so budget, but it gives you something which is so decent, rather than using your phone microphone whenever you're shooting outdoor. So this is way to go. So can't complain at all. Such an amazing product from Ulanzi. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm going to be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace. And make sure that you're subbed to the channel here if you're new, you know what I mean, so as we can hit 10k subs at least on the end of this year. So yeah.